Do it.
No. Yeah. I got it over. Yeah. Yeah.
You gotta talk louder.
Huh? Hi. I'm a Walmart. Hey, dude, I got something to tell you. The fuck, man? Man, that was my last of my money.
You put three bits, you do house last time. No, thank you. Nothing. You're like, yeah, what not?
Man, there's a selling apples over here. I feel like I should take off my hoodie. I look kind of. What? My hair's on the
Yeah.
Better coming than going, huh? Should I?
What?
Should I have this out to someone?
Do it. Dude, hand that ad out to someone.
I'm giving this to my boo.
To who?
To my boo.
The ad to? You gonna give the ad to him too?
I was gonna say, should I go put it in her car? Here you go, man. You drop it. I wanted to find
Do it. You should totally do it. Taz, look at all your stuff for your crocheting.
Yeah, right. Oh, they got that Xbox One. What's the guy? Oh man.
That's right.
Oh man.
Oh shit, hey.
No. Stop it.
No.
Well, you gotta plug it in, dude. I mean. This is T90 Roger. Come in, Houston. T90 Roger to Houston. Come in. Black Hawk down. I repeat, Black Hawk down.
Black what?
Black Hawk down. Man, what the hell are you looking at? I repeat, Black Hawk down. Hello? Houston, come in, Houston. I can't hear shit, man.
Dude, look at these. Look at that.
Man, these don't even work. Oh, look, the value. I repeat. Oh, it's not even in. What the hell? Turn this one off. Oh, that's the only one that works.
This one was on. Oh, look, this one's on too.
Black Hawk. Come in, Black Hawk. Oh, yeah? What happens? Oh, damn. Oh.
I fuck your bitch, niggas.
Let's make this one trip we will never forget.
Oh, that's a zombie. I already know what's gonna happen. You see, she's gonna die. You know why?
Why?
Because she's white.
I thought, oh, black die first.
Black people die. I mean, white people.
Until dawn. 2015. You'd probably just like come up here and check some video games if you wanted.
Probably.
You know, I think whoever made this show is on drugs.
Yeah, they
The more everything plan, Gomi. Look. The more everything plan.
Here we go.
Oh, dude, look at the pill.
You want pills?
Does it turn on?
Why can't I play my music? That's some bullshit.
Next. What the hell? I had to pause that. Who needs a pill when you got these? See, it's on the headphone set. Headphones, you know. But when you turn up the volume enough, if you don't need the pill, look, you can hear it through there. Let's go quick. Just leave it like this. Too bad you can't plug in your phone.
This shit don't work, man.
Too bad you can't plug in your thing to
I don't know.
the pill. I fucked your bitch, nigga. And just walk away. Right? Let's go. Go fuck with some people. Dude, we should do that scaring thing where we hide and shit. Just scare people. Random shame. Dude, do it. You're gonna do it, okay? Do it. Oh my god. And they said this is appropriate for kids. Fucking nudity. Oh shit. No fucking way, dude. Look, it's the new Halo.
Fuck this bullshit.
Dude, look, it's the Bible. Oh shit. There's a guy there, otherwise I would do it. I was about to drop the Bible and kick it.
Look at this guy.
Looks like he has freaking cat eyes, dude.
He's gay.
You read it?
No.
No.
Well, why would I buy it if it doesn't work? Put your hand in there. There you go, bro.
There's no blade in it.
Wanna fuck with me? Huh? I know it works good. Look, these. This is what I'm talking about.
Dude, look, you could just like totally pop these out. You guys are freaks. I was raised on beans and rice. In the hick world, we call them potatoes.